Hello everybody, this is Troll Homestead again. I just wanted to give you guys a look about which item that I actually purchased for the pond. So it's a Crystal Falls waterfall and skimmer. I have the one with the natural stone looking on the top. This is from halfoffponds.com. It's where I got my liner and everything else. So the bigger waterfall feature is the size that I got. So I think it has like a 16-inch waterfall feature on it. So just want to show you kind of what we're doing is a step-by-step approach to what's going on here. So the first thing that I did was I went ahead and cleaned where the surface of the liner is going to be connected with the skimmer box. And then I cleaned the skimmer box real good all the way around. And then in the last 2 videos ago, there's holes in this box. And I went ahead and poked the hole through with the little nail that they provided after I put the bead of the sealant on the box, and then I pushed it nice and firm and gave a little bit of slack here at the bottom for my stonework. And then as you can see, this has not been cut out yet, but we're going to get to that next. And then we're going to go ahead and put this on here like so, and it will have 5/16 screws just like this that will go through and connect all of this whole thing together. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. It will be a similar situation up at the waterfall feature, and that will connect in with my liner up there. So then everything will be tied in, and then we can get rocking. So I want to show you something else that I didn't show on a previous video. So this is kind of a mess in here. You guys might do better than me about keeping some of this nasty dirt out of here, but that was the best that I can do. I wanted to just show you quickly how this is all connected in. There's the pump down at the bottom, and then here is your pipe and your fitting here, and this goes out to the line that goes all the way up to the waterfall feature there at the top. So that's all been set and buried. I stepped inside of here. I backfilled all of this around here. So the dirt is all the way up to the top. I probably should have not filled it up quite as much so all this dirt doesn't go back in here where the pump is, but I'm going to go ahead and clean that all out. I'm going to suck all that nasty water out of there and then clean it out again once I get all of this stuff set. So just wanted to let you know the next point of the project. I'm not going to give a video of the one up at the waterfall feature, just trying to let you know how it's going to go on right here, and then we'll kind of move on from there, and I'll do the next video with rocking and try to show you what's going on with that. So if you like my videos, again, please subscribe, like the videos, share them with friends. Just take a moment of your time to watch the videos that I have, and I'm going to release new content as it comes out. So everybody, be sustainable, have a wonderful day, and I will see you again later.